This transformation is by far my favorite. On today's episode of Not Your Everyday Wall, we are creating this beautiful multicolor feather pattern wall, and I'm super excited to get into it, so let's go. This is the color palette we're working with today, and I think it's going to complement the stencil so nicely. I love the randomness in this pattern. Once I got my stencil up on the wall, it was ready to start painting, and I was so excited to see the outcome. This look was actually inspired by Native American Indians because today is actually Native American Indian Day. My inspiration from this was to choose some earthy colors, and this stencil was perfect with the feathers because they are a huge part of Native American Indian culture. A feather can be a symbol of many things in different tribes, either trust, honor, strength, wisdom, power, and freedom, and I just thought it was a beautiful thing to show that in this look. As I was repeating my stencil, I turned my stencil each time 90 degrees just so no area looked exactly the same. The feather is so important because when it falls from a bird, it is seen as a vessel of all the energy carried by that bird in its lifetime. And to be gifted a feather by a higher official, it really was a true honor. It's so beautiful to see that just this simple stencil can have so much symbolism to a certain person, and that's why we love learning about other cultures. The main portion of the wall is definitely the white feathers, but I wanted to have that little accent of the orangish brown color just to contrast against that navy blue base. This look definitely came out so gorgeous, and I really think having the variety of colors really just completed the whole look. This concludes today's episode of Not Your Everyday Wall. I hope you absolutely love how the look came out, and make sure to check back on the next episode for some more inspiration. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.